I don't know why the hell I'm attempting this, but I'm bored. This thing's been sitting at least a week. Who knows? Let's see what it'll do. Obviously, the battery will be good. Kinda knew it. That's awesome. Super cool. That is awesome. It runs. The wagon is alive. Alright, why am I even doing this? I don't know. Because why not? Still got some icicles on it. Let's start her up. Obviously I ran it yesterday. Look at that. I don't know. There we go. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, I slipped on ice. Well, that was fun. Whoa! Awesome! That started amazing! It has been freaking cold and I almost slipped on that ice. Woohoo! That is freaking awesome! The choke and the carburetor's tuned well. Oh, that is the best thing ever. Woohoo! Look, it's like, I mean, the throttle got stuck, of course, but dang, started amazing. A few minutes later, throttle's still stuck. Yeah, throttle needs adjusted. Let me get out and look at it. But it doesn't sound bad. Maybe when she warms up. Alright, let's see what happens. I don't know. Try putting it in gear. Wow. It's idling very high. Okay. Well, this is weird. When I shut the hood and came in the car, it started idling lower, so I think it is a part of the choke system. Starting to get normal.